Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys something a bit different. I have a Honda, and it's not just any Honda, this is the Honda Element, and in particular this is the all-wheel drive. I'm going to be fixing, restoring, and upgrading this Honda Element. Right now, as you guys can see, currently it's in a pretty beat up condition inside and out. It's dirty, scratched, the paint needs some work, the interior is completely destroyed, as you guys are going to see throughout this video. But I'm going to be restoring it and bringing it back to life, something that could drive around every day in the snow and at the same time enjoy it as well. So if you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys have probably seen my project build on my E550 Mercedes. I'm going to be doing the same thing on here. We're going to be having a series. I'm going to be having videos from maintenance, repairs, restoration, upgrading interior and exterior bits. So there's going to be a lot of videos on this series. I hope you guys can follow along by subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be having an individual playlist on this Honda Element. As time goes by, there's going to be a lot more videos on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the future videos on this Honda Element. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed or checked out my other videos, I have a Hummer H3 Alpha as well in orange. So I'm going to be giving it some of these Hummer touches. At the end of the day, the possibilities are endless. So let's see what I could do with this, and please leave any comments, ideas, suggestions, advice, or if you guys also have a Honda Element, please leave any of those comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this introduction of a new series on my Honda Element. Please give it a like and share. And if you guys want to see a lot more videos on the Honda Element and all my other vehicles, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.